This is at Corsican. Looks like we have an old innovation mod. I think these are US probably. Apparently from the 60s, as the record states, which is curious because US did not exist in the 60s, well, except 1969, that I highly doubt. But these are older than 69, so. They are US though, no doubt about that. Definitely US. Weird. 11? Huh. I like how the indicator's not big enough to accommodate the arrow, so they only have it next to the single digit numbers. Alright, back down, go to B. Lantern doesn't work and it looks really blue on camera. I don't know why that is. Oh, there we go. No arrow. I guess we just don't need one going down. It's only needed for going up. There's your COP, Innovation Square Universal, not common. There's a nice juicy fart for you guys. Keeping it professional. Yeah, Square Universal, not common. And it's the older one too. Although I don't know if older or newer Square Universal is more common. Alright, back up to 1. And that's it.